Welcome to FClip TV, your entertainment plug. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.
My country people are on a day. I was in a day right for that side shot. All man are still on one play of entertainment and we do so FClip TV. Oh girl. Just make sure you stay tuned and stay subscribed to this channel. Please don't say this the way we're gonna give you back to back. I say the health online like this. Now I say we can carry and give on the mod free of charge. See, I definitely good. See Baba the cheat on top in wife. See me. The rumor don't they spread like this for the past like let me say few hours. Say I definitely good. They don't cash out. See all the time we see me get belle. Say Baba they knock person for behind. Say they knock am for back. We never sabi if it dey true or you know dey true, but the rumor don't they circulate. Say okay, I definitely good. Or saying they cheat. This generation girl, a lot of cheating, a lot of back-to-back cheating. I dey tell you recently. Now say Quavo, popular international artist, saying they cheat on top of wife. That one we don't carry down, we don't digest. Now definitely good. Then they cheat on top see me. As they hot, we see the given now. We never confirm if it did true or not. But now stay tuned to FClip TV. We will let you know as they hot. This brand no be a